Okay, so what we're gonna make today, me and Stinky, we're gonna use some yellow Jello, and what else color?
Red Jello.
Okay, so we're gonna use yellow and red Jello. Let's get started. Okay, we poured the red one in. Now we're gonna pour the yellow in. Make sure you get it all in there, Stinky. You got it all in? Good job. Okay, so we're gonna wait for the water to get done boiling, okay?
It's gonna die.
Now my phone not gonna die. Now that we've boiled the water, Stinky, come on, be careful. Come on, I'll help you. I'm gonna pour it in there. Good job. Nope. You gotta stir it up. You gotta stir it up really good, okay?
Okay.
How about you use your right hand? Use your other hand. Use your other hand. Slow down. Okay. So this is the pan I originally got for the Jello, but it's a little too big. So we'll have to go with this. Sorry, it's the ghetto way, but it's the easiest way. I had to cover a baking pan with some aluminum, for sanitary reasons. So, Stinky, okay, pour it in. No, you have to pour the Jello. Yeah. Yep, good job. Make sure you pour it all in. Make sure you pour it all in. Good job. Then we'll have to put it in the refrigerator, okay? Slow down. Put it in the refrigerator. Okay, so now we gotta let it set. Now we're gonna pour the water to make the yellow mixture. Be careful, Stinky, it's hot. Go, you can stir it. Make sure you stir it really good, okay? Kool-Aid mouth. You got Kool-Aid on your mouth. Stir it up. Yep, good job.
Can I do that?
Yeah, no. Here, you can pour the yellow mixture in with the red. We're gonna make it two tones. It's gonna have two colors. Make sure it's all in there. Good job. So someone got anxious, couldn't wait. So they lost one of the pieces playing with it. So we're gonna do a cutout. The Jello is finally finished. It's finished, then?
No, it's go right here and first.
Yep.
What's this?
What we got now?
Mama, what's
We have. What is it? What is it?
It's a starfish.
It's a starfish. Good job.
Let's go right here.
So how many starfish do we have so far?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, how many shark do we have?
1, 2, 3.
And how many fish do we have?
1, 2.
Okay, we need to make one more fish.